You bringing in a Makarov? Is that what I see right now?
Do you see how much money I have?
Oh, trust me, I see how much.
What am I supposed to? Do you want me to bring in rocks? You think that will be better? I don't like.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right out.
Dude, fucking fill your pockets with some rocks, and then there we go. You'll take down Tagilla and fucking call it a day.
Look, I almost killed a guy with this earlier. Just my aim sucks because I've never used this gun. Yeah, I do not want to have to go with Al to get this quest and try this again. I hope it gets on the first try. We are going to form a wall around him on the second story of factory.
Watch that be where Tagilla spawns.
Yeah, you just
Lovely.
literally.
Chase wants to get banned for some reason. I don't know. I don't even have, like, you know, you can shoot him with the leg if you have a shotgun or a, you know, PP-19. I have a Makarov. I don't even think it. I think it does negative flesh damage. I'm pretty sure when you shoot. See, that's fine. I'm pretty sure when you shoot with the Makarov and it hits someone, it actually injures you. Like I'm 110% positive.
Why am I the only one that has gear on?
Dylan, we're fucking broke. I told you this wipe is hard.
90K.
This wipe is harder. It is harder.
Who's the watch for again?
Proper in his fat ass.
Proper.
Yeah,
Daddy
Proper. I
Proper.
logged in and Proper gave me an M133 shotgun, and I just went and handed it right back to him to finish that first quest.
Here, man. Have it back, dude.
All right.
Men. Charge.
Someone to the right. On metal. Careful.
Oh, green room body was empty.
Do it.
Who the fuck was just shooting at me?
Me. I was shooting a scav. I
I'm
was
on
not
third.
shooting at you. I was shooting a scav.
I'm checking jackets real quick. Oh, yeah.
Alright. It's clear. I'll keep you safe.
I'm coming up the stairs.
Somebody's coming up.
Which way?
Where we came in.
On the wall.
They're coming upstairs. Oh, it's Tagilla. Fuck, it's Tagilla. Fuck.
No. Al, did you get your quest?
No.
Get to the metal. Let's get your quest. Come on, let's go. You and me.
Okay, I'm
Let's
out.
go. Let's go. Let's go. You're
No
out.
way, it's him.
Get to the metal.
Okay,
in there.
okay, I'm
Get
planning
in
in.
there.
Oh my god, no way. Okay, I'm
You
extracting.
good? Y'all want to try and take him down?
Thank you, boys.
I'll go back in for this shit. Oh, there he is. Bottom floor, bottom floor, bottom floor. Go, 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 go.
I just did something, and I don't know how to fix it.
Oh, he's chasing after me with the hammer. Come get him, boys. Come get him. Come get him.
He's chasing me. Get him away.
I'm coming.
Oh, he got me. Oh, Jesus.
Oh shit! Oh shit! He's coming after me! I got him! I fucking killed him! I got him!
Shit.
Oh shit!
Dude, I did 1,000
Oh,
damage to the
shit.
body.
Oh shit!
I'm a little shaky right now. Holy shit.
We fucking did it, dude! I
Bro,
fucking
he
killed him.
I saw him and I ran. I was like, nope, screw that.
Dude, I hit him 35
I
times.
hit him in his stomach with the PM pistol. Oh my god.
Go to your next screen. I want to see
He
the damage,
fucking,
man.
he melee the shit out of me, dude. He blocked my stomach out.
Dude, he one-tapped me, dude.
He must have got a critical.